Hello, I'm Babar Khan and you are watching Crystal Gems. Today we are going to discuss Super 7. Super 7, it's the name is also very strange because many people asked that why people call this crystal Super 7. So the main reason behind this that is the combination of seven different minerals, which include like amethyst, clear quartz, smoky quartz, geotite, cacoxonite, rutile, and lepidocrosite. So these seven combination come together, so it's become Super 7. So there is also there is a lot of benefits of Super 7. Super 7 is excellent for healing, balancing, and energizing all seven chakras. Super 7, also commonly known as Melody Stone or Sacred Stone. This gemstone is so buzzing and lively that it truly takes you into an entirely new world, just like a little powerhouse of psychic energy. It removes the blocks that are holding you back from your life purpose and stimulates the soul of its divine brilliance. Super 7 is a catalyst for expansion and transformation. Super 7 is a potent healing ally, bringing you protection, release of negative emotions and past patterns, and purification of our soul, allowing you to reach a place of clarity, focus, creativity, and positivity. This stone is a combination of seven different crystals. Therefore, carries the properties of all seven crystals as one. It is for the same reason that it is one of the most powerful stone available for healing purposes. Super 7 retain its own energy in abundance and never requires cleansing or energizing. If we talk about the origin, so Super 7 mostly come from Brazil. Like if we have like here different qualities of Super 7s, like this quality, this one like top quality, and this one low quality. If you see the color, you can see it's like low quality, this one top quality. So these all come from Brazil. So if you can see carefully, this one like high quality Super 7, you see the color, it's very sharp color, and also inside the hairs, it's called like type of rotile. So this one like high quality Super 7. Then if you can see this one very low quality. It's the same crystal, same properties, both have same properties, but only the difference is between them is like the price. Because this one like you can find this quality like $1 to $3 per gram, and this quality quite expensive. It's like 30 to $50 per gram. So like one bracelet come, maybe this one bracelet come up to 40 gram. So now you can calculate that how much it will come in dollar. And this one a cheap one, because if you see there is no like color, also not very sharp, like colorless. Also have the rotile, that one also very less, and the color not very nice, and quality also this one low quality, and this one like high quality. If you can see the color, you see the amethyst, smoky, this one lepidocrosite, this one amethyst, the purple one, this one amethyst, this one like smoky, this one like lepidocrosite, this one geotite, this one cacoxonite. So it's the combination of different seven stone. So if you can see, if you get this one, then like this one, if you can see this one also type of Super 7. It's lepidocrosite. This one lepidocrosite, it's also type of Super 7, and this one only come from Brazil. If you can see, this one only come from Brazil, and this one you can see, this one bracelet you can use, you can, and this one like the wire is like elastic wire, so it's adjustable. You can also adjust the size, you can wear, very nice. It's like top quality Super 7. If you can see, it's look very nice. And this one is a rare item because people don't know too much about Super 7. Super 7 is very not very common. Mostly people they know about clear quartz, smoky quartz, rose quartz, lemon quartz, but people don't know too much about like Super 7. So this is the real Super 7 and top quality Super 7. If you can see the color, very nice, very bright, sharp color, and you can also easily differentiate the quality. You can see both of them are same crystal, same properties, same benefits, but only the quality is different and the price. Of course, because this one you can see this one high quality, the color is very sharp. You can see this one very sharp color, and this one if you can see this one what like very, now you can easily see the difference. So if you want to use, I think I suggest the good quality, but of course it's come expensive. Like this quality come expensive, and this one come cheap. This one you can find easily like $1 to $3, between $1 to $3 per gram, and this one like $30 to $50 per gram. There is many grades in Super 7 also. This one like very low quality, then a little bit high quality also have, then also have like more top quality than this. Specimen, small specimen also come in Super 7. Like pendants also come. This one lepidocrocite pendant, if you see, it's lepidocrocite pendant. This is like it's a type of Super 7. You can see the small hairs. So this is lepidocrocite bracelet. It's lepidocrocite. Come also in pendants, beads, specimen also, and small specimen rocks. So but its demand is like high because so if someone know about Super 7, so they like and they want to get the best quality, the high quality, and high quality also come very rare, and if it's come the price is very high. Now maybe this one bracelet come up to $2,500, like some come like more expensive 3,000. So it's depends on size and weight also, because it's by gram. So if it's a small size, so it will come like 8 mm size, so that one come cheap, like high quality 8 mm. So it's come cheap because it's all come by gram. And this one like low quality, and this size is about like maybe 14 mm. So if you calculate, so maybe it will come like up to $100, $150. So I hope you like the video. If you like, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe.